Have you thought to yourself, I don't have time to market my yoga business? Well, I've got a plan for you, and it's actually a 5-minute plan that will help you save time and make more money. I get it. Life is busy. We are all busy. You're driving around from studio to studio, you're planning classes. When do you have time to market your yoga business? But here's the thing, if you're looking to grow your yoga business and make more money by teaching yoga, then you have to think about marketing. But it doesn't have to take up all of your day. 5 minutes of productive work is actually better than an hour of mediocre work. I'm running a free challenge on this. It's a 5-day challenge where I'm going to share a tip with you that you take action on every single day that takes only 5 minutes. And I've got proof that this plan works because I've run this challenge before inside my membership and saw immediate results. I have listed in the description words from my members that they said after just a few days of this 5-day challenge. Trust me, you're going to gain email subscribers or gain private clients. Whatever your goal is, you can actually grow your business in 5 minutes a day. So what are you waiting for? I want you to sign up for this challenge. Click the link in the description. And if you're watching this not in real time and the challenge has already happened, there's a replay available too. So make sure that you use the link to join me live starting on January 27th, 2020, or watch the replay and start marketing your business in just 5 minutes a day. And until next time, give yourself permission to market for just 5 minutes a day and grace along the way. Talk to you soon.